Delving Research and Development Private Limited has developed cost-effective, innovative IoT smart meter named Dynamic Reactive Compensation Unit, DRCU. The intelligent dynamic power factor detection and correction provides an efficient technique to improve the power factor of a power system by an economical way. By using DRCU, we can raise the power factor in a proven way of increasing the efficient use of electricity by utilities and end users. Economic benefits for end users may include reduced energy bills, low cable, transformer losses, and improved voltage conditions. While utilities benefit from released system capacity and latency loss reduction. With the suggestion of active compensation and detection of abnormal values, the utilization of DRCU can be extended to industrial consumers and distribution transformers. A dedicated software package for DRCU will be provided along with this cloud software. You can view the device data and performance. Also, the software can be viewed from anywhere with any device. DRCU will measure all electrical parameters. Measured data are sent to dedicated software for analysis purposes. DRCU will calculate the capacitor required value for reactive power compensation. DRCU will display how long the capacitor is on and how much kVAR is compensated. It can be viewed in software. It will also check for the device rated values, and if measured values exceed the rated value, it will note down the abnormal. DRCU has multi-step capacitor switching depending upon load. Remote calibration can be done through software, and long-life capacitors will be provided. Transmission copper loss will be reduced and efficiency will be improved, and active power balance is suggested, resulting in reduction of line losses and energy consumption. DRCU will be installed in electrical utilities, manufacturing industries, textile industries, commercial establishments to get the maximum energy maintenance and performance. A dedicated cloud software package for DRCU will display the parameters including total active and inactive hours of devices, total active and inactive hours of loads. We can see the voltage chart, current chart, power factor chart, and capacitor required chart. Also, we can see the capacitor log, abnormality, and energy data report of a specific device, and all in the dashboard. You can see the capacitor on and off logs of the individual capacitor. Abnormality for voltage and current will be displayed in the software. Online calibration can be done through software. You can see the total injected cover for a particular date and month-wise. Total active and inactive hours of individually devices can be viewed. Average power factor can be viewable in date and month-wise. For more information, contact us.